going on? Oh gosh. Do a demo first and then you'll give me an intro afterward if you want. That looks sweet.
So it peaks at 33. This is 25 to 45.
Where does it lead?
This summer, find you. Often imitated. This motherfucker's always imitated, but never duplicated. DJ Russticals. Yeah. Nigga, for real. Check for real, I'm about my respect for real. My diamonds are crystal clear, I'm shining from ear to ear.
Man.
It's down 812s, DDXs. On the Apocolypse 12K.
A 12K, holy smokes.
11.8K.
Okay, what is it wired to?
It's wired to 1 ohm.
Alright.
It's all wired to 1 ohm. It's only going off a 3 Group 31 XS. 6 order. Unfinished, it's not sealed. I don't really have a loading wall to it yet.
Yeah.
Just kind of messing around.
Did you build it?
I built it all, designed it and built it, yeah.
Awesome. Do you know your tunings?
Kind of got lucky with it. No, not really. I know it's tuned real low.
Yeah.
Real low. And it was even lower when I had them inverted, so I flipped them in and it has better bandwidth.
It does? Okay.
Much better.
Wow.
No fans on my amp. It ain't getting too bad. Low 6.5.
Dude, that sounds good, man.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
My voltage ain't really holding that well.
No. Well, you dropped to what, mid-12s?
Yeah.
That's not, to be honest, that's not too bad.
It's not too bad for the power and, you know, the batteries.
Yeah.
I got one single 20 amp alternator.
Awesome. And once you seal it and you retune your front, you'll probably be...
It's only going to go up,
It's going to go up, that's right, yeah. You want to tell me what all's in here for the stores and your mids and highs?
I got Audio Legions in all the doors, 6.5 pros, and then I got the Timpano right here in the center console, 2.6.
Okay.
And that's it, man.
There's your amp right there.
That's the 4-channel, yeah.
Okay. Nice. All right. Looks good, man. Thanks for the demo. What was your name?
Joe.
Joe. Jacob.
Nice meeting you, bro.
You too.
Barely open. Nigga, for real. My niggas is real for real. I'm in the field for real. I'm about my check for real. I'm about my respect for real. My numbers are crystal clear. I'm shining from ear to ear. 12K. And
12K, holy smokes.
Well, the 11.8K.
Okay, what is it wired to?
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacksonvile ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.